In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a TradeZero account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeZero.com, and then up here it says sign up, so you want to click on the sign up button. And then you'll have two options. The first one is a funded account, where you can start trading with a funded account, or the second one is where you can practice with paper trading before you commit. So let's say you're trying to first try paper trading. You want to click on over here and press continue. And it's going to require you to register for paper trading, for which you have to enter in your first name, last name, your country, your phone number, email, and the password you want to use as well. After that, press the next button, and what this is going to do is it's going to send you a verification code to your email. You have to go to your email you used over here, and then you have to copy that code or just retype it into the box. And after you confirm that, you'll be able to sign in to your portal on TradeZero. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like in case you're using your TradeZero account. Now, of course, here, whenever you are on the paper trading portal, you can go ahead and sign up for a real account by clicking on this button. Or if you've actually never opened up an account, of course, with the paper trading option, you can go ahead and just click on the funded account at first, and then click on continue over here. And this is going to ask you for some basics first, such as your country of residence, first name, middle name, last name, email, password. You have to confirm your password, and then type in your partner or referral code. Now here, after you do that, you want to click on continue, and then of course you can go ahead and continue your registration process. Now it's going to ask you a bunch of different things. You're going to have to get verified, etc. But after you do that, you've successfully opened up your TradeZero account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.